Yo, what's good, my G's? We hit 1K. Yes. Thank you so much to everyone who subbed, liked, and commented. I could not have gotten here without any one of y'all, and I'm so sorry for not getting this out sooner. My bad on that one, guys. I just had a little bit of technical difficulties. But also, a bunch of my things have sold on eBay. So please, if you're interested, go check out my eBay store, and that would help a lot. Thank you again so much for 1,000 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. But let's get into the actual video. Alright, let's get into the room. Alright, so we're going to start over here and go counterclockwise until we get over there to the setup. So first thing you see when you walk in, it's a big Just Gonna Send It flag. That's pretty nice. And I have LEDs all around my room. I think it adds character. So that's pretty neat. I also have my school bag and my basketball bag here when I come in, just for easy access. I have some old shoes that I don't wear over here. And over here, I have a LaMelo Ball signed jersey and a basketball like medal that I got. So that's pretty sick. And below that, I have my sneaker collection. I got these little boxes for them. It's pretty nice. I have some Blazer University Blue High Jumbo swooshes. I have some Trae Young ones, some Melo MB ones, some old Crocs, Jordan 4 Fire Reds, KD 13s. Blazer lows. You know I got the Crocs on right now. Yes, sir. Crocs are awesome. They're supposed to be in there. And then I have Air Max 270s. So yeah, and I put the boxes next to it for some of them. There's also more boxes over there. But yeah, that's just a little mini sneaker like collection tour. I have more sneakers in the mail actually. So yeah. And then over here is my bed. I have some sneaker like posters above it. I love these things. They look pretty sick. I am a sneakerhead, so it kind of makes sense that I have sneaker stuff all over my room. I actually have two Govee lights on either side of my bed that I can control with my LED strips, because I also have Govee LED strips, so I can control the whole room just from my phone. And there's also a way to connect it to Alexa, but oh, she didn't hear me. That is sick. That is like the first time that she's ever not heard me. That's crazy. But moving on. I have a Miles Bridges signed basketball. He plays for the Hornets. I love Miles Bridges. And I have a like container case for it coming in the mail, but it's coming. I don't have it yet, so the ball just stays there for now. And above it, I have this Ja Morant poster that my friend got for me for my birthday. It's pretty sick. I love Ja Morant. And it's just a dope poster, so yeah. Over here, we have my TV with LEDs behind it. And it's also on a mount, so I can put it out to watch TV from my bed. So that's pretty sick. And underneath here, I have like my yearbook, Xbox, bunch of random stuff. And then over here, I actually have a couple jerseys. They're normally in my closet, but I have a Jason Tatum jersey. Today's actually game day, game 2 of the finals. Boston's up, great.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But definitely enough for the Warriors to come back. But I still think Boston's gonna win. And then behind the Tatum jersey is a LaMelo jersey. So yeah, that's pretty sick. And there's like my closet and bathroom and stuff, but I won't show that. Over here is just a corner with a bunch of random stuff. I have this gumball machine, like wooden skull, this light up star, and like a ceramic skull. So that's pretty sick. And then we have a Windows over here, but I don't like natural light, so I covered it all up. And then over here we have a big Kobe flag. I love this thing. I got it with my Just Gonna Send It flag. So yeah. And we are over to the setup now. So I'm gonna start on the left side and go to the right side. Starting on the left over here, we have a fake plant. I have a couple of these scattered around my setup. I really like fake plants because I think they add character and color, so it's great. And then I have some painter's tape, wristband, syringes, dielectric grease. These two toolboxes are for like my keyboard tools, and then these are rose reds that I need to lube for my friend. So I will get to that soon. Sorry, Ian. I'll lube them soon. And that's just another green plant. And then going over here, I have a random like Kinder thingy that I got 2 years ago. I don't even know why I have it, but we'll stick with it. I have a Glorious Panda like toy thingy. I have a stand for my phone and a little pin that I got when I went to a Charlotte Hornets game. There we go, it says Buzz City. And I also have a switch tester with a bunch of switches on it. I have a candle that's never been lit before. And I have this nifty clock with USB stuff so I can plug my phone in. And right here, I have the NovelKeys Milkshake Deskmat. I love this thing. And I have two LG monitors. Pretty nice. This one's 144 Hertz, this one's 75. And I use Wallpaper Engine to get like animated wallpapers. It's pretty sick. And then right here, I have my modded RK61. It's pretty sick. Go check out that video. It's a banger. And I have a glorious coiled cable. I have my Logitech G Pro wireless mouse. And my WowStick right here. And I have my other plant that came in the same set as those. And I have a book that my mom got me. So thanks, Mom. And then over to my mic, this is a Razer Siren Mini, and my headset is a SteelSeries Arctis 7 wireless. And on this shelf, I have a bunch of really cool stuff. Starting from the bottom, I have, this is my TES 68, and then I have my Deskmat box, and then I have a bunch of switches. Then up here, I have my Back & Echo 65 box for my Deskmat, and more switches. Now up here actually is like my Funko Pop collection. I love Funkos, they're pretty sick. I have Iron Man, Iron Spider, Logic, Chewbacca, Dame, Rocket Raccoon, Kyrie, and Thor. That's pretty sick. I also have Thanos over here and Hulk over here. And I also have the other book that my mom got me. Thanks, Mom. Love you. And I have a Star-Lord Funko Pop. I have a big LeBron James one that my friend got me. Thanks so much. I love this thing. And then we have a Hawkeye Funko Pop. This one's bigger than usual. And a Stanley Funko Pop. That sums up the Funko Pops. And then the rest of the stuff I have up here is just a couple boxes. So here's, oh my gosh, how much just fell and died. That would have been bad. All right. I think that's about it for the room tour. Let me know if y'all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.